And my final message is a challenge to the new Prime Minister of Pakistan, Prime Minister Imran Khan. You now have huge responsibilities. You now have the chance to reduce and end the persecution and discrimination against religious minorities in your country. Not just Ahmadi Muslims, but Christians and people of faith from other groups. And I think you cannot be a friend of the Taliban in Pakistan and come to Britain and pretend to be a liberal. So I call today on Prime Minister Imran Khan to promote tolerance and to throw open the door of freedom and human rights to everyone in Pakistan. But I want to end on thanking everyone here today and wishing the Jalsa Salana and the Ahmadi community the very best in the future ahead. Thank you.